The Reapertips theme has been updated to 1.82.
Good job!
But wait, if you haven't watched this video, you should watch this first. Updating is very simple. Just go to the payhip email that you got when you first downloaded the theme and download it from there. Once you have the files, make sure to install the new font I included. It's called Roboto. Lastly, simply click and drag the theme into Reaper and this will replace it automatically for you. Also, I just discovered that I can send email updates through payhip, so I'll be able to notify you via email when new updates are available. So here's a quick recap of what's new. We introduced two big features to the V7 theme adjuster. You now have a checkbox to color your track names, and it will always look nice and readable, no matter the color of your track. That is probably my favorite feature ever. You now have full control of the tint and brightness of not only your track panels, but your track index as well. And here's how that works. The tint slider will adjust how much color you want in the track, while the dim slider will control the brightness of the track. But what makes this so awesome is that you also have the same controls for the track index. And it's this little area on the left side. So you can pretty much create any combination that you like. FTC is a genius and the attention to detail he put into this is insane. For example, the divider line and the track labels will change color automatically if it gets too bright or too dark. In the future though, I would love to include the ability to save and recall presets for this. But for now, this works really well. And of course, we're also going to include this in the MCP soon. Next is something that's been requested a lot. You now have a checkbox to swap the order of the fets and route button. So if you prefer to have your fets button first, you can check this box. And the next things are minor fixes, like the transport bar numbers. They were quite jumpy, so I fixed that. And you can make it look even better by installing the new font I included, and it's called Roboto. This should make it look pretty good. I also adjusted the color overlay of the muted tracks and the log tracks, so it should be way more obvious now. I also fixed the MIDI hardware send image that wasn't looking right. And lastly, the dual pan buttons should behave in a more responsive way. And that's it for now. I hope you're having fun with the theme and thank you so much for all of your suggestions. I'm writing them all down and we will keep working on this. Oh, and one last thing, if you're a Windows user that uses 100% display scaling, check the description. I have some notes for you. That's it. Thank you for all the nice comments and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.